Wallpaper's back in a big way for 2020. If you're hesitant to try this trend, stay with me. Today I'm going to change your mind. When I suggest using wallpaper, do you immediately cringe and say no way? Is it because you have a horror story of stripping old wallpaper from the 70s or 80s? Today's papers are more easily applied and removed if that's even necessary. With the right choices, wallpaper can truly be timeless. Powder room is the absolute best spot to try your hand at adding wallpaper. It's an easy way to give this room some character. Sticking with a pattern of neutrals with a little sparkle gives a timeless look you won't have to worry about removing anytime soon. Full disclosure, this room was wallpapered in 2002. How's that for timeless? The era of popular paint faux finishes ended about 10 years ago with the re-emergence of beautiful wallpapers. Updated and new, wallpapers provide texture, sparkle, and pattern, all while allowing a designer to control the color. Take this room for example. This faux croc wallpaper adds the perfect touch of luxury to the space. With animal influences being such a big trend for 2020, you might think this was recently done, when actually it was installed a while back in 2013. When it comes to wallpaper, think outside the box. The wallpaper in this room comes to life in the evening, when the beautiful chandelier reflects, you guessed it, the ceiling. Thinking about when this room is used and the type of light at that time, the ceiling was the perfect spot to add a little sparkle. Message, call, or email me today. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you now have a new perspective.